so this is the F200 Pro. Really is my favorite camera because it's very affordable, mid $200 price range, and it's awesome. 1080p front and rear. You get all the features of a good camera, parking mode, timer, all that stuff. But they just came out with the Q200. This one's 2K in the front, better memory card available, more storage, and a bunch of new features. So this one's gonna be awesome. Can't wait to show you guys the footage. All right, let's put some effort into this and hardwire it properly. All prepped up, so we got our labeled fuses, accessory, 12 volt, and our ground loop.